It was really cute. I feel like the underwear that they sell in Japan is very different in terms of design than underwear that they sell in like America or Europe. Because like Japanese designs, they're very frilly and very lacy and very cutesy, and the colors are almost all of them are pastel or white, very bright colors. I used to love those. I would particularly buy a lot of underwear in Japan and then bring it back to Austria. Nowadays, not so much my thing anymore. 日本のね、売ってる女の子の下着は全部明るくてパステルカラーで全部フリフリのフリルで、なんかね、一番人気なスタイルはそんな感じだけど、海外、オーストリアとかヨーロッパとかアメリカとかは全然そういうのが人気ないから売ってるものが全然違うな。うん。I had to have tweeted underwear before. I guess she did.